Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anita Louise. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little peppermint garland to decorate for the holidays. This is a pretty easy project. You will need 7 of the little peppermints, and I will link my peppermint video down below and the peppermint pattern. And once you have your peppermints, you are ready to make a cute little garland. The only thing you will need is your size eye hook and your medium weight crochet yarn, and that is all. So stay tuned and we'll make a cute little garland together. So I'm going to start with a magic circle. I'm just gonna wrap this around. And once we've got our magic circle, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This is going to count as our first double crochet. So I'm going to put 11 more double crochets in this magic circle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So counting our first chain 3 as a double crochet, that means we have 12 double crochets in our magic circle. So go ahead and pull your magic circle closed. Pull, pull, pull. There we go. And now we're going to slip stitch in the top of our chain 3 to close up our little circle of double crochets. So just do a little slip stitch right there. Now we are ready to start working on row 2. So we're going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now working in that same space that we did our little slip stitch to connect, we are going to do a double crochet with a color change. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that same space, and drop a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to yarn over again, but we're going to use our other color. So grab our red, and you're just going to lay that red yarn over your hook and just draw it on through. And that is all. So you just did a double crochet with a color change. Now we're going to be using our red yarn. So we're going to be crocheting over this one and this one. So you're going to use the tail end of the red and the white, since we're not like using it right now. We're going to hold it down kind of by the tops of our double crochets under here so that we can just crochet right over them. So yarn over with our red, and working in our next double crochet, we're going to do a full double crochet with red. There we go. And now we're going to do that double crochet with a color change again. So yarn over, insert in that same double crochet, drop a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, but now we're going to yarn over with our white. So yarn over, draw through the 2 loops. So we're going to complete that all the way around. So basically in each stitch we're going to have 2 double crochets. One is going to be completely in the one color, and then the second one is going to be a double crochet with a color change. There we go. Okay, so we're finishing off our last one. It will also be a double crochet with a color change. So at the end we should have 6 stripes in white and 6 stripes in red. And then we are going to slip stitch in the top of our chain 3 that we started with, just like that. And we are all finished. All right, so once we have repeated that 7 times so that we have 7 peppermints, you're gonna go ahead and grab your yarn in another color, whatever color you want. I'm gonna use green because it's Christmassy and makes a nice little contrast to my red and white peppermints. I'm gonna go ahead and just take that and do a little slip knot. And now I'm going to chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 28, 29, and 30. And once I've got 30 chains, I'm just going to grab a peppermint and I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch through the top of one of my double crochets. Just like that, to attach it. And we've got 1 peppermint on our garland. Now I'm going to chain 30 again and repeat that process 6 more times so that all of my peppermints are connected. And once we've got our last peppermint on, do our last little slip stitch and we'll do 30 more chains. $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30. And that way we've got a little chain at the end and a chain at the beginning. And I'm going to show you how I finish off my garland. So I just need some little scissors. So go ahead and cut this here. Now I like to leave a little loop on both ends so it's easy to hang the garland up. So I leave this little loop here, but I tie it so that it stays. There, so I've got a little loop on this end. And on the other end, same thing. So we've got a little bit of length of yarn and I just make it into a loop and tie it into a little knot. That way you've got a little loop on both ends to hook onto whatever you want to hang it nice and easily. And just trim your yarn off. And trim your yarn off over here. And your little peppermint garland is all ready to hang. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I hope you had fun making a pretty little peppermint garland, and I hope you decorate your home and even make some garlands to share with your friends. They make a really pretty little gift. So thanks so much for joining me, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more projects like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, bye.